won't go for him. Rebound. He got it right back. Manute for three. It's a hand grenade, and he got it. He's shooting about 25% on the year with those. 43-28. Now he's a Fiesta Bowl.
Oh, God. And just in case you thought that it was some sort of mistake that Bol made a three-pointer, I tell you, the guy is a classic. Just listen and watch.
Well, in that particular film piece, he was certainly a tidy Bol as well. He didn't miss a one.
You're not going to give up on this.
No.
And, of course, there's the one we saw just a few moments ago for the old...
Player substitution number 50, Ralph Sampson, returns.